In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete domain on Hostinger. In practice, deleting a domain on Hostinger means turning off auto-renewal so the domain expires naturally. This is the safest and most common approach. It prevents any future renewal charges while keeping the domain active until its current expiration date. It also gives you time to transition any website or email services that depend on the domain so nothing breaks unexpectedly. Start by signing into your Hostinger account and opening hPanel, which is the dashboard where you manage services. Once you're in, look at the top menu and go to Billing, then choose Subscriptions. This page lists everything currently billed under your account, including domains. If you manage multiple services, take a moment to locate the exact domain you want to discontinue. You can scan the list or use the search box to narrow it down. When you find the domain, click the small arrow icon to expand its details. In the expanded view, look for the auto-renewal setting. Select Disable Auto-Renewal. A confirmation prompt may appear explaining what happens next. Read it carefully and confirm. After you do this, Hostinger will update the domain's status to show that auto-renewal is off. You should also see the domain's expiration date. Make a note of it so you know when the domain will actually lapse. From this point on, you won't be charged for renewing that domain. The domain will remain active and continue to resolve until the expiration date. After it expires, it will stop working and may move through a grace or redemption period depending on the domain extension. During those periods, you might still be able to recover the domain, sometimes with additional fees. Expect reminder emails as the expiration date approaches. They're normal, and you can ignore them if you plan to let the domain go. If you change your mind before the expiration date, you can return to the same subscriptions area, open the domain's details, and re-enable auto-renewal to keep it. If your website or email currently uses the domain, plan your transition ahead of time, update links, notify users, and make sure you have any backups you need. Finally, refresh the subscriptions page to double-check that auto-renewal now shows as disabled. That's it. Log into hPanel, go to Billing, open Subscriptions, find your domain, expand with the arrow, and disable auto-renewal to let the domain expire naturally without future charges.